As a full-service company, Restoration SOS provides complete water restoration services designed to get your property back to normal, fast. We start by taking a walkthrough with you and scoping the damaged area. Using infrared cameras and moisture meters, our certified technicians take a look into your floor, ceiling, and walls without damaging them. This gives us a better view of the damage so we can provide a detailed, accurate estimate. Our inspections are absolutely free. To start up the drying, we remove any standing water using pumps and truck-mounted water extractors. Then, we use industrial-grade fans and dehumidifiers to dry the wet area and any wet building materials. We treat carpets, hardwood floors, drywall, and baseboards. To prevent future mold growth, we spray the area with an antimicrobial solution and make needed repairs. Last but not least, we provide a guarantee for our work and can bill your insurance company directly. For more information, please visit our education center or call us at 877-767-2407.